Upgraded unique right-angle design. Designed to reduce the stress of the end from bending to tight, UGREEN 90-degree USB-C cable minimizes strain and extends its lifespan, while providing a more comfortable grip to charge and surf at the same time. 60W PD Lightspeed Fast Charge, 36% faster than a 18W USB-C cable. The 60W, 20V3A, output fast fuels your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra to 70% in 30 minutes at full speed, or fully powers up your 13 MacBook Air in 1.5H when paired with a 60W PD charger. Sturdy build for long lifespan. Aluminum housing and double nylon braid is apt for standing up to the strain of rigorous and frequent use, proven to survive 10,000 times bends or unplugs. Built-in laser welding technology is adopted to prevent terminal detachment or rupture. Solid and safe connection. Anti-interference multi-shielding core with 56 kΩ resistor for preventing excessive current supports a smooth and harmless charge. Meanwhile, reinforced SR joints allow frequent insertions and tight connection without disconnection. Broad compatibility. Unlike the market-s most USB-C cable incapable of real fast charging, UGREEN 60W Type-C to Type-C cable can compatible seamlessly with cell phones, Samsung S21, Google Pixel, LG, etc., tablets, iPad Air 4, iPad Mini 6, etc., laptops, MacBook Air, etc., Switch and more. Top reviews from the United States. Great. I use this for my Oculus when I have it plugged into a battery for longer playing time. By using a right angle, I cut down on the slack by my head. Makes moving around easier.